To connect Zendrop to Shopify, you'll need to have an account with both platforms. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free with each service. Once you have your accounts, open two separate tabs, one where you're signed into your Zendrop account and another where you're signed into your Shopify account. Next, go to your Zendrop account and click on Connect My Store in the top left corner. You'll be presented with a few options: claiming a free custom-built store, building your own store, or connecting an existing store. Since you already have a store, select the option to connect an existing store and click Continue. You'll then be guided through a few steps. First, click Authorize and proceed to the Shopify app page. Select the store you want to add Zendrop to and click Install for one-click production listing. If you have multiple stores, you'll need to choose the specific store you want to connect to Zendrop. Once you've selected your store, click Install and then confirm by clicking Install again. After that, create a password to access your Zendrop account and click Sign Up. You should now see the Shopify logo and your store name in the top left corner, and clicking on it will take you directly to your store. To verify the connection, open your Shopify account and click on Apps. You should see Zendrop listed. You can now import products from Zendrop and publish them to your Shopify store. For example, you can import a product, click Review and Publish, and then click Publish to My Store. The product will be published to your store, and you'll see it appear on your Shopify store. You've now successfully connected Zendrop to Shopify.